It's time for the Animal Sounds quiz. We'll play a sound and you guess the animal. Let's go. What does the cow say? Yes, it is a cow sound. Cows moo to communicate with their herd. What does the lion say? Yes, a lion, the king of the jungle, loves to roar to show who's boss. What does the snake say? Yes, it's a snake. They hiss to warn others to stay away. What does the pig say? A pig, they grunt when they're happy or hungry. What does the frog say? Correct. It is a frog. Frogs croak to find friends or warn others to stay away. What does the bird say? Yes, it is the bird. Birds chirp to communicate and sing their beautiful songs. What does the rooster say? Correct! Roosters crow to announce the start of a new day or just to let everyone know they're around. Wow! You're amazing at guessing animal sounds. How many did you get right? And don't forget to subscribe to Little Bubbles for more fun quizzes and animal adventures. See you next time.